We are medicalfieldservice.com. We offer an outsourced field service solution for medical equipment manufacturers. Our service representatives are trained biomedical equipment maintenance technicians and medical device field service representatives. We have a network of qualified representatives covering the United States and throughout the Western Hemisphere. The services we provide are medical equipment installation, repair, preventative maintenance inspections, applications assistance, and sales. We operate as your field service organization, empowering you to expand sales territories confidently. As a U.S. government contractor, we also offer opportunities from equipment sales through government contract bids. Our outsourced field service solution has proven to be very valuable to foreign medical device manufacturers and those undergoing the U.S. Food and Drug Administration's 510(k) process for medical equipment certification. Our service representatives provide valuable feedback on out-of-the-box failures to your design engineers. We offer a 4-hour telephone response and 24-hour in-person response on most service calls. We adhere to the highest standard of service in the medical device industry. We provide online service reports, which often include video and pictures. Contact us today so we can design a custom field service program for your medical devices.